Good morning, class. Today I'm going to discuss some question answers of chapter Matter in Our Surrounding from our NCRT textbook. As we have finished the chapter Matter in Our Surrounding, the first question is: a diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. Which property of matter does this observation show? That is page number 3. The ability of a diver to cut through water in a swimming pool shows that the particles of matter have intermolecular spaces. The intermolecular spaces in liquids is fair enough to let the diver pass through it. Question number 2. The smell of hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away, but to get the smell from cold food, you have to go close. Why? Solid diffuses at a very slow rate. But if the temperature of solid is increased, then the rate of diffusion of a solid particles into air increases. This is due to increase in kinetic energy of solid particles. Hence, smell of hot sizzling food reaches us even at distance, but to get the smell from cold food, we have to go close. Question number 3, comment on rigidity. These are the terms which we have to describe. Rigidity, it is a property of matter to resist the change of its shape. Rigid means unflexible, unbending. Solids are rigid. Compressibility, it is a property of matter in which volume is decreased by applying force. Gases are highly compressible. Fluidity, it is related to the term that is fluid. The property of matter which can flow, like liquids and gases can flow, so they are known as fluids. Filling a gas container. On filling, a gas takes the shape of the container. They fill whole of the container, hence the volume is not fixed. Now shape. Shape means having definite boundaries. Solids have definite shape. Why? Because their molecules are closely packed. Kinetic energy, it is energy that processed by particle of matter due to motion. According to kinetic theory of matter, the particles of matter are in continuous motion. Then density. Density is the ratio of mass with per unit volume, that is heaviness of an object. Solids have high density, particles are closely packed. Particles are held tightly by the strong interparticle forces. Then give reason. Naphthalene balls disappear with time without leaving any solid. Naphthalene balls disappears with time without leaving any solid because they undergo sublimation. Sublimation means the change of state that a naphthalene from solid to gas takes place without taking in a liquid state. We can get the smell of perfume sitting several meters away. That is, perfumes have high degree of vaporization. Vapor diffuses into the air easily. Vapor is gas. Therefore, we can get a smell of perfume sitting several meters away. It means that the force of attraction between the gases are negligible. Particles of gases are free to move in all directions. Now give reason water at room temperature is a liquid. Why? It has fluidity, it has no shape but has a fixed volume. That is, it occupies the shape of the container in which it is kept. Or the room temperature is less than the boiling point of water and more than the temperature at which its solid is fired. So the water at room temperature is a liquid. Now, an iron almirah is a solid at room temperature. Why? The melting point and boiling point of iron are much higher than the room temperature, and also it has rigid and fixed shape. Thank you.